Hi everybody, I'm Shreyas from MDV Public School Hyderabad, and today I'm going to do this project on Microsoft Word Advanced, and the topic given is help manual or guide, and the subtopic given is think of a course or chapter from your favorite subject. And here are some instructions given. So the first instruction says create a Word document which will act like a manual for your course. I've already created it. I'll be showing you further. In the first page, you can add one image of the course chapter that you have selected. I've I've already did this instruction. I'll be showing you all these uh, in the Word document which I did. Now I'll be going to my Word document. So so as you can see here, this is the Word document I've done. So my favorite subject is science, and the course I've taken from science is improvement in food resources, which is a part of biology. So now going to the next one. In the first page, you can add one image of course and chapter that you have selected. So uh, so I've added some text, and you can see I've added images also. So I've also added some text. So I'll be reading it now. So I've copied the text. That is the definition of food, that is any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink, or that plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth. And here I've also inserted a tagline: food is the basic necessity of life. And here, as you can see, I've inserted another picture. So I've completed the first instruction. So in the second page, you can list down the important topics of course. List down at least 5 topics. So the first page is done. Now now I'm going to this now going to the second page. uh, uh, I've written 5 topics here, that is cattle farming, poultry farming, beekeeping, fish farming, and agriculture. So there are 5 topics here, and again I've inserted a tagline, that is food is important and respect it. So I've completed the second page also. In the next pages, give detailed explanation about the topic with images or smart art if if required. So I'll be scrolling down, and I've inserted a smart art also. And as you can see, I've written all the topics in a graphical manner. It's the same one: cattle, poultry, bee, fish, and agriculture. And here I've inserted a table, and I've given a brief explanation of each of the following topics: cattle farming, poultry farming, beekeeping, fish farming, and agriculture. And here is a brief definition of all these topics. And scrolling down, here I've inserted pictures uh, of the following topics, that is cattle farming. You can see cows, hen, and fish, and beekeeping. So I've inserted 4 pictures in this case. Now the next one is set hyperlinks to link the topics with the page containing the information of that topic. So I've also set uh, I've also set a link here. So if I control plus click this, it will take me to the original website. And when I come to the features, I'll be showing you how to insert a link. Now now going to the features, add word art images is the first one. So as you can see, uh, I've added word art here. So in order to add a word art, you have to click insert and word art, and you'll get a number of styles here, and you can just choose one. I've chosen this and this in this case. And I've also inserted so many pictures. If you see here, there are 4 pictures. You can either insert pictures by copying it from the internet, or if you have it in your file explorer, you can just click insert tab, and here in the illustrations group you can click pictures, or also you can insert online pictures. So I've completed the first feature. So the second feature is quick styles. So here I've chosen quick style here. So in order to insert a quick style, you can in the home tab you can find styles here. If you click this, you can browse a number of styles here. According to this, I've chosen this one, that is heading 1. So I've completed the second feature also. So as you can see here, I've used quick style. So going to the next one, appropriate headers and footers. So as you can see, in every page there is header and footer. So as you can see, this is the header which is shown here, and just scrolling down, this is the footer. So if you want to close the header and footer, you can just click this one, close header and footer. Now I'll be showing you how to insert a header and footer. You can click insert, and here in the header and footers group you can choose header or footer, or page number. I've chosen header or footer, that is the same content will appear in every page on the top and bottom of the page. So as you can see, in the page 1 there is header and footer. So in all the pages I've done, there is header and footer. So I've completed this feature also, that is appropriate headers and footers. So next feature is use proper alignment. So I've also used proper alignments here. That is the title I've given. The title I've given is center align. I can also change it to left align, or a center align, or right align, or justified. Now in this case, as it is title, I'm giving center align. So here also I've given proper alignment, that is center align. uh, here it is left align, that is the text is the, the text is typed with um, respect to the left margin of the page. And here also I've given specific alignments. Here it is center aligned, and here it is left aligned again. So I've completed this feature also of setting alignments. Now the next one is formatting. So as you can see, I've formatted the text in so many ways that I've changed the handwriting, that is the font style and the font size, and I've given bold, italic, underline. I've done this for almost uh, all the text I've typed. So I've completed this feature also. You can do basic formattings from here, that you can set bold, italic, or underline, or strike through, or you can change the font style, font size, and the color of the text. You can also highlight it. There are so many things you can do in the formatting one. So I've completed this feature also. Now going to the next one, add hyperlinks. So I've also added a hyperlink in the end, as I told you. Now if I control plus click this, it will take me to a web browser, and it will open that link, and I can view the topic further from that link. So the link is Wikipedia, and here it has opened, and I can just scroll down to view uh, the topic's information. So so um, now I'll be inserting one more link here. So in order to insert a link, for example, I'll just open a new tab, and I'll type food. So so I'll type science here. So it'll show me some content about food. So I'll just click this website, and I'll copy this URL and I'll go to my web browser and I'll paste it here. So in order to make it as a link, I can just select this. I'll go to insert and I'll click link. So here it'll show me some so here it will open a dialog box, and I'm selecting existing file or web page and I'll click OK. So as you can see, this has become a link. So now if I control plus click this, as I told you, it'll open a web browser. So I can view the content of that link. As you can see, it is opening. So here I can view the content. So I've inserted links also, and I've completed this feature also. And the next one is smart art graphics. So I've also inserted smart art as I've shown you. So as you can see, this is a smart art. So to insert a smart art, you have to go to insert tab, and in illustration group you have to click smart art, and there are so many available. In this case, I've chosen this one, basic block list. So I've inserted smart art also, so I've completed this feature. The next one is tables. So I have inserted a table also, that is name and name and the description of this topic. So in order to insert a table, you have to go to the insert tab, and the tables group you have to click table, and you can just choose the grid of the table you want. Now I'm not inserting a table, so here you can see I've inserted a table also. So going to the next one, page border. So as you can see, there is a page border for every page. So in order to insert a page border, you have to go to design, and in the page background group you have to click page borders, and you can select the page border you want. For example, I'm changing it into this. So apply to whole document, and if I click OK, as you can see, it is changed. So I've I've inserted the page borders also. Now going to the next one, page background or image. So I've done page background color and not an image. Now I'll be explaining you how to insert a page background color. So in order to so here you can see I've changed the page background color to light brown. So in order to do this, you have to go to the design tab again, and just beside the page border, in the page background group, you'll find page color, and you can choose the page color you want. So now I'll be giving it a new page color, that is light green, and after I click it, the page color will be changed in all the pages. So I've done all the instructions and I've used all the features as I've shown you, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.